People are making up to $5K per month by uploading simple animated cartoon videos. I'm going to show you how to create these kinds of videos using free AI tools under 15 minutes in just a few easy steps, without needing any design or editing skills. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your own channel and turn your creativity into cash. Step 1. Creating the script with ChatGPT. The first step in bringing your animated video to life is creating a compelling script. For this, we'll be using ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that can generate engaging stories in seconds. Simply enter a prompt, like "create a kid's story with a lesson," and watch ChatGPT work its magic. Review the generated story and make any necessary tweaks. Once satisfied, copy the script. In a matter of seconds, you'll have a complete story script ready to go. You can even ask ChatGPT to create multiple story options if you want to choose the best one. Step 2. Generating the voiceover. Next, it's time to turn that script into a professional voiceover. We'll use Clipchamp, a free and easy-to-use tool that converts text into realistic speech. Head over to Clipchamp and sign up or log in. Paste your ChatGPT-generated script into the text-to-speech tool. Select a voice from the available options, or adjust the settings to suit your story's tone. Click Generate and then download the voiceover file. Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, there lived a tiny caterpillar named Coco. You can use 11 Labs or other tools for voiceover. I use Clipchamp as it is completely free. Step 3. Creating the animation with AI. Now that we have our script and voiceover, it's time to create the animation. We'll be using a tool like Hyper AI, which is perfect for generating animated videos based on text prompts. Open Hyper AI and select Create Video with Text. Copy the first scene or prompt from your script and paste it into Hyper AI. Add any extra commands like 3D style animation or Disney inspired. Click Create and wait for the animation to generate. Repeat this process for each scene in your story. Step 4. Removing watermarks. Because we're using free tools, your animations may come with watermarks. To keep your video looking professional, you'll need to remove these watermarks using an online watermark remover. If you don't want to do this step, there's another method to hide watermarks that I'll show you in the next step. Google "remove watermark from video" and choose any of the available free online tools. Upload your animated video file. Select the area with the watermark and follow the instructions to remove it. Repeat this process for each scene, and soon you'll have a watermark-free video ready for final editing. Step 5. Editing and finalizing the video. The final step is putting it all together. We'll use CapCut for this, a free and user-friendly video editing tool that lets you combine your scenes, add transitions, and enhance the overall quality. Open CapCut and start a new project. Upload your animated scenes and voiceover files. Arrange the scenes in order and sync the voiceover with the animation. Let me now tell you another method to hide watermark. It's simple, just scale up your videos a bit that watermark goes out of the screen. Add transitions, background music, and captions to make your video more engaging. her caterpillar friends were disappearing. She was so curious to know where they were going. Why are they all gone? Coco wondered aloud. Then, one sunny morning, Coco saw a beautiful butterfly fluttering. Once you're happy with the final product, click Export to save your video. With CapCut, you can also add auto captions, adjust colors, and choose from a variety of effects to make your video stand out. And there you have it, a complete, professional-looking animated cartoon video made entirely with AI tools, ready to be uploaded to YouTube.
Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, there lived a tiny caterpillar named Coco. Coco loved to munch on leaves and crawl along the soft, dewy grass. But one day, Coco noticed something amazing. Many of her caterpillar friends were disappearing. She was so curious to know where they were going. Why are they all gone? Coco wondered aloud. Then, one sunny morning, Coco saw a beautiful butterfly fluttering by. The butterfly had vibrant wings that shimmered in the sunlight. Coco couldn't believe her eyes. She had never seen anything so magical. "Where did you come from?" Coco asked the butterfly. The butterfly smiled and replied,
Whether you're creating educational content for kids or entertaining stories, this method can help you generate videos that not only captivate your audience but also earn you a steady income. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on using AI to create money-making content.